walk a lonely road, I walk a lonely path. Sometimes I wonder if I can just do it while I gotta make a plan. Yeah, I just gotta go and execute it, man. I really gotta be the man. I don't really care where you're at. I'ma just do it alone when I'm back on my journey, I'm back on my road. Make it all happen, man. I'm about to go. I am not sitting all down. I'm chasing it, making it happen. I'm chasing my goals. This is my soul. This is my all. This is the way. I'ma get what? I'ma get all the things that I desire. I'ma get all the things that I want. Sure. I remember dark nights, I remember dark days. I remember people telling me, yeah, right on my face, that I ain't gonna make it, but you don't really know what I embrace. I embrace my craft, I embrace my path, and y'all ain't gotta go and break. There's